Your LG refrigerator is packed with innovative and easy-to-use functions designed to provide you with a better kitchen experience. LG's multi-airflow cooling system maintains optimal humidity and temperature levels so your food stays fresher for longer. Digital sensors constantly monitor conditions within the refrigerator to keep things cool, and strategically placed vents surround your food with cool air no matter where you put it. To maximize your refrigerator's performance, remember not to block the multi-airflow vents located in the back of your refrigerator. Blocked vents may prevent airflow and cause uneven circulation of the cool air. The cool air circulates from top to bottom, with the coldest spots being in the back, near the vents. It's recommended that you avoid putting sensitive food items such as yogurt, eggs, and vegetables in these areas because they may freeze. Instead, place sensitive food items closer to the front on a lower shelf or in one of the 3 crisper bins.